Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So, we just finished assembling a new PC, and in this video, we will share with you how to install Windows 11 on a new PC step by step. Installing Windows 11 on a new PC is actually very easy. There are only two steps that we will do. The first is to make his Windows 11 bootable into a flash drive. And the second, we will install Windows 11 from the bootable flash drive we have made. Now we start the first step. Here we need some equipment. The first is a laptop or other PC, and the second is a flash drive that is at least 8 GB in size.
Now, please just plug the flash drive into your laptop or PC. And don't forget to secure all the data in it, because the flash drive will be formatted later. After that, please click the link in the description of this video to go to Microsoft.com. Here there will be three options that we can choose, and since we will directly create a bootable Windows 11, please select the second one, which is Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Just download the Media Creation tool from here. After you download the Media Creation tool, run the application directly. After entering Windows 11 setup, select Accept at the bottom right. Then wait a few moments, then please select Next again here. Next, select the USB flash drive and select Next again. Then please select the flash drive that you have installed earlier, then select Next again, and we wait for the Windows 11 bootable creation process to complete. After the bootable creation process is complete, there will be a ready statement here. And just select Finish. So now we are done to create the Windows 11 bootable. Okay guys, we have created a Windows 11 bootable into a flash drive like this. The next step is to just install Windows 11 on our new PC. We just plug the flash drive into the PC and turn on the PC, then press F2 on the keyboard to enter the BIOS menu.
You can also see the following guide to enter the BIOS menu because each brand will have a different way. After entering the BIOS, now we will set the boot priority so that we can boot to the bootable flash drive from Windows 11. The method is to simply press F2 to enter advanced mode and enter the boot menu. After that, select boot option number 1, enter, and please select UEFI USB partition 1 or the flash drive that you have made bootable earlier. After that, save the BIOS settings by pressing F10 on your keyboard, select Yes, and enter again to start booting to the bootable flash drive. After entering here, we will start to install Windows. The first here, please set the language to install. We will use English United States. Then you can also choose the time and currency format. We will use the US keyboard layout, then select Next.
Then select Install Now, and after entering here, you can enter the product key of Windows that you have. If you don't have one, you just select I don't have a product key. Next, you can also choose the edition of Windows that you want to install. Do you want to install the Home version, Pro, or even the Education version? For this video, we will use the Pro version, then select Next again. After that, check here, and select Next again.
Then select Custom Install Windows Only. After entering this menu, you can choose where you want to install Windows. As you can see, on the PC we are using, there are two storages. The first one is 230 GB. This is for the operating system or Windows, and the second one is 456 GB. This is what we will use to install games or store our data. So in this video, we will choose the 232 GB one.
But this also adjusts to the storage you are using. After you choose where you want to install Windows, just select Next. And wait for the Windows installation process to complete. Okay guys, after the installation is complete, we just have to select Restart Now to restart the PC we are using. After restarting, now we will set up Windows 11. You can select the country or region according to your location.
Select Yes, we will use US for the keyboard diode. And select Yes again. Here, we will just skip it. Then here you can directly connect your PC to the internet using Wi-Fi, or you can also use an Ethernet cable. But if you can't connect to the internet network, you can do a bypass by pressing Shift plus F10 on the keyboard to open command prompt. After that here type OOBE /bypass NRO and enter. So now here there will be a menu I don't have internet. You can choose this if you can't connect your PC to the internet network. After that, select continue with limited setup and please give the name of the device you are using. Setting the password, if you want to give a password, we will just leave it blank and select next again. Then select next, select accept, and wait a few moments until you enter Windows 11. And now we have entered Windows 11, which we just installed on our new PC. Okay guys, we are done with the Windows installation process. And there is another important step after we install Windows, which is updating and installing the drivers we need. The way to install and update drivers on Windows 11 is very easy. The first thing you have to do is connect your PC to the internet. After that, just select the Start menu and go to the Settings menu. Then, here scroll down and select Windows Update.
After that, select Check for Update, then wait for the process. Then, the drivers needed on your PC will be installed automatically from Windows Update. If you are using a dedicated GPU such as NVIDIA or AMD Radeon, you can also download the driver from the official website according to the brand you are using.
To use the latest driver, after installing and updating the driver, there is one more important thing after we install Windows, namely activating the Windows we use. You can buy the product from the Windows you use from the official Microsoft website.
You can just click the link in the description of this video too. And please buy the product according to the edition of Windows you are using. Then the way to activate it is just to go to the Settings menu. After that, select the system, then scroll down and select Activation. Then in the product change, please select Change. After that, you just enter the product that you have obtained here.
Then just select Next, just Next. Until later, Windows will be activated like this. Okay guys, so that's how to install Windows and how to activate Windows 11 on a new PC. Next, you just need to install the application or game you want to play on your new PC. Hopefully this video is useful and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video so that more people can benefit from this channel.
See you in the next video.